The number of Americans filing for foreclosure now dropped last month by 6%. That sounds like great news, but tell that to the thousands of folks still dealing with the possibility of going into foreclosure. And this includes thousands of senior citizens on fixed incomes, and not a lot of hope right now. Fox 13's Tanya Arja is going to show you why some say this is a dire situation if there ever was one.
At 82 years old, Cole Poor is in pretty good shape physically, but financially, he needs a lifeline.
Toward the end of the month, I start dipping into my savings. Now, I can't dip but so long, and I won't have any left.
Hey. Oh, hey. How you doing?
He gets Meals on Wheels, cuts down on electricity and driving to save gas, but it's not enough. He gets $1,000 in Social Security, but $700 of that is his mortgage. 3 years ago, Cole had his house appraised. He needed money after his son, who lived with him and paid part of the bills, died unexpectedly. The appraisal came in at $169,000, and he borrowed money. A few months ago, he needed more, so he tried for a reverse mortgage, a new federal program for seniors.
It's basically a loan of a portion of the equity in one's home that does not have to be repaid until the person passes away, sells the home, or no longer lives there.
Problem is, when Cole got another appraisal, that $169,000 appraisal dropped significantly to $48,000, wiping out any equity he had.
28 years, this is home. You just don't want to be put out of your home, and that could happen.
The only option Cole has left is to have his loan modified, which would give him a little wiggle room and maybe some extra cash. A recent AARP study shows nearly 700,000 seniors are delinquent or in foreclosure.
They should be the people we should be helping first, because they don't have time on their side like you and I do to recover from this.
Cole says he has 6 months, maybe a year, before he'll run out of money.
But I guess we don't count. And in a lot of people's mind, we're expendable.
Forced to leave his home with nowhere to go. Tanya Arja, Fox 13 News.
In fact, Chris Rooser says Cole's home should have been never appraised so high. Plus, there are a number of foreclosed and vacant homes all around Cole, which would lower his home value even more. The AARP study found 25 million people over the age of 50 have a mortgage.